morning students. So in the last class we discussed about external and internal structure of the heart and about the blood vessels. Okay. So today class we are going to discuss about how the heart pumps the blood. Okay. So that process we call as cardiac cycle. Okay. So the first point today we are going to discuss about cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle nothing but heartbeat. Okay. So in a normal terms we can say it as a heartbeat. Contraction, relaxation of the heart is called as the cardiac cycle, also called as heartbeat. Okay. So during contraction phase what will happen? So first thing, so as we know heart have how many chambers? 4 chambers, right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle, right. So during the contraction phase children, first both auricles will contract and then push the blood towards the ventricles. Next both ventricles also will contract. Okay. So then the blood enters into blood vessels. So contraction phase also called as systole. The contraction of the heart, that phase we can say as a systole. It is a very active phase. During that time more blood rushes into the blood vessels because first auricles will contract, next ventricles will contract. Once the ventricles will contract, so blood will rushes into the blood vessels. So as we know from right ventricle blood rushes into pulmonary artery towards the lungs. From left ventricle blood moves to the all parts of the body. So that's what contraction phase is called as systole. It is the very active phase. Whereas diastole. Diastole means what? First auricles will relax, then ventricles also slowly will relax. So by that time slowly blood will collect from the body parts. So that's what this phase is called resting phase, and scientifically it is called as diastole. Okay. So everybody remember, contraction phase is called as systole, relaxation phase is called as diastole. Okay. Systole is the active phase whereas diastole is the resting phase. So for whole process, for explanation I took lot of time, but actual thing happened within seconds children. This whole systole diastole together occurs within 0.8 seconds. So just you imagine how faster during the working. Okay. So the whole systole and diastole completed within 0.8 seconds. Okay. Only for atrial contraction it takes around 0.11 to 0.14 seconds. Okay. For ventricular contraction, in the sense contraction of both the ventricles, it takes how much time? 0.27 to 0.35 seconds. So the whole process occurs very quick manner within seconds. Okay. So in this way, after due to one systole, one diastole, together we can say as a cardiac cycle. In a normal terms we can say it is also as a heartbeat. Okay. So now we will discuss what is the relation between the heart and size of the animal. So is there any relation between the size of the animal and the size of the heart and the number of heartbeats? So let us discuss about that concept now. So size of the heart and the heartbeat rate and even weight of the animal, there is a relation children. So let us see this table, you can understand very clearly. So when you talk about first one, blue whale. Blue whale, in the beginning of the class I said you, blue whale is the largest animal in the world. So see the weight of the blue whale, 150 tons children. The weight of the blue whale is how much? 150 tons. So the heart weight 750 kg. So can you imagine how much size? Generally blue whale heart is generally compared with the Maruti 800 car. Do you know Maruti 800 car? Exactly how much size the Maruti 800 car, that much heart present inside the blue whale. Okay, the blue whale weight is, blue whale heart weight is how much children? 750 kg. Okay, and a number of heartbeats 7. Okay, for 1 minute, as it have heavy weight, It can beat how many times? How many times it undergoes contraction relaxation, children? Just 7 times. Okay. And when you talk about next animal, elephant, largest animal on the land. Okay. Its weights about 3000 kg. The whole body weight about 3000 kg. And the heart weight is how much, you know? 12 to 21 kg. Okay. So now, so because of this, so compared with the blue whale, the heart size of the elephant is smaller, no? So it can beat how many times per 1 minute? 46 times. Okay. Now let us see about ours. An adult human being generally weighs about 60 to 70 kgs. Okay. It's on an average. So our heart weight is just 300 grams, children. 250 to 300 grams. So per 1 minute our heart beats 76 times, even 72 also not a wrong, 72 also considerable answer, either 72 or 76. Okay. Now the last very interesting, say coal tit. It is a type of bird. The name of the bird is what? Something new. Coal tit, very smallest bird. And the bird weight, total body weight is just 8 grams. So and weight of the heart, you know, just 0.15 grams. How much small? Just imagine, children, 0.15 grams. So the how many times the heart beats, you know, 1200 times per minute. So you imagine how much faster it will beat. For 1 minute the heart undergoes how many times? 1200 heartbeats. So this table is very, very useful for the beats. Now there is a relation, just wants to say, if the size of the animal is big, the heart size also big. Okay. So but when you come to the heartbeat, decreases. Okay. If the size of the animal increases, size of the heart also increases, but number of heartbeats decreases. If the size of the animal decreases or small, and the heart size also small, but whereas number of heartbeats increases. So this relation is very, very important. So just a common sense, if the animal is so big, so much blood has to supply. So definitely it have a large heart. As the blue whale is the largest animal in the world, it's so big animal. So it have a very big heart. It weighs about 750 kg because that much heart required to pump the blood throughout the body. But as it is so big, it beats very slow. How many times per minute? Just 7 times. Okay. So when you talk about small bird, white reverse now, it just 8 grams weight. So the heart, through two small hearts, 0.15 grams only. So per 1 minute, 1200 times it used to beat. So that is the relation between the size of the animal, size of the heart and the number of heartbeats.